I was going to return this without even taking it out of the box, and the seller actually talked me into keeping it. So I opened it up, and it is a lot bigger capacity than I thought. Everything is stainless steel. I love, if you can see this little ledge here, it lifts up and out, so it will hold everything you need. Hot because I just turned it off just to cook in it. It's so deep and really, really nice. Very easy to operate. Just turn that on. I already have it preset for 18 minutes air fry, and you just hit the start button. It takes a few minutes to heat up, but it doesn't take very long. Very nice air fryer. Thank you, seller.
Bien, que se ve de frente, bonito la cosa, que esto está virado. ¿Por qué está virado?
¿Y qué es él? Ya déjalo ahí.
Va a buscar un problema.
¿Qué problema te busca, mami?
Con la marca.
Déjala.